Welcome to our channel, dear viewers. Small but stocky, aggressive, and at the same time adorable. All this fits perfectly to describe the Pallas cat, aka Pallas cat. The Pallas cat is similar in size to a house cat, but looks much larger because of its stocky build and long, thick fur, which helps protect it in frosty habitats. Its fur is especially thick on its belly to protect it from snow while stalking its prey. And today we decided to take a closer look at this amazing cat. In the video, we have collected the most interesting facts about Pallas. 1. This species was first identified by German naturalist Peter Simon Pallas. He did this in 1776. The cat was originally named Felis mantle Pallas. The word mantle takes its roots from the Mongolian language and means wild cat. When Pallas first described this species, he mistakenly assumed it was the ancestor of the domestic Persian breed because of its long coat, strong build and flattened muzzle. The current name Otocolobus mantle was introduced in 1858 by Russian zoologist and traveler Nikolai Alexeyevich Severtsov. The word Otocolobus, from Greek, means ugly ear. 2. When you look at this animal, you get the illusion that it is very large and stocky. Why the illusion? It is because Pallas cats appear to be much bigger and heavier than they really are. If we could cut it down, we would see before us an ordinary domestic cat with the length of about 80 centimeters, together with the tail, and with the weight of about 2.5 to 4.5 kilograms. 3. Unlike many cats, in which pupils are vertical, in Pallas cats' pupils are round. It is still not clear what caused such a difference. However, there is a pattern. In large cats, the pupils are usually round. In smaller cats, they are vertical. 4. They have the longest and thickest fur of all cats. Their fur is almost twice as long on the belly and tail as it is on the top and sides. Presumably, this helps Pallas's cats stay warm when they hunt in the snow or frozen ground. The length and density of the fur also changes depending on the season. It becomes longer and heavier in winter, and vice versa in summer, respectively. 5. They go through two main phases of coloration. In winter their fur is more gray and uniform in color. In summer, more stripes and ochre shades appear on their fur. 6. These animals are solitary. They lead solitary life and show high territoriality. Both males and females mark territory. At the same time, it should be noted that males occupy larger territory than females. Their territory often overlaps territory of several females. 7. They are nocturnal animals. They spend the day in their shelter. Shelter may be a cave, crevice, or burrow dug by another animal. When night falls, Pallas cats go out to hunt. They are very skilled predators, which ambush their prey. 8. Their lifespan rarely exceeds 11 to 12 years. Mortality among kittens is very high. Approximately 68% of the babies do not reach adulthood. On the other hand, among adults, the mortality rate is not much lower, at 50%. Adults usually die most often in winter. 9. They are characterized by a polygamous mating system in which males mate with several females during a certain mating season. During mating, the male follows the female for several days, most likely to protect her from other males. The breeding season lasts from December to March. After the female becomes pregnant, 3 to 6 kittens are born in 9 to 10 weeks. They usually stay in their den for up to 2 months, until they molt and have adult hair. At 3 to 4 months of age, they begin to go hunting with their mother. At 5 to 6 months of age, when they become adults, they leave their mother. 10. They prefer cold and arid Central Asian climates. They can be found in the steppes of Mongolia, Pakistan, China, the Central Asian part of Russia, and in some other countries. 11. They are rather clumsy runners and never move fast. They usually move in short jerks and then lie down on the ground to avoid being spotted by prey and larger predators. Since these mammals are not very fast, they need to get very close to their prey to attack it. 12. Their diet is very varied. They feed on various types of reptiles, lizards, chameleons, etc., insects, rodents, birds, and even carrion. Although they have a fairly large population, they give each other large areas to hunt in order to avoid fights over food. 13. Are monoliths dangerous to humans? In general, dangerous for the reason that they are wild animals. But if approached in terms of possible damage, it will be no more than from an ordinary big cat. They are solitary, so they react sharply negatively to strangers entering their territory. 14. Is it possible to tame a Pallas cat? In general, wild animals cannot be made into pets, and the Pallas cat is no exception. Pallas cats are very difficult to care for, as this animal has evolved to live at high altitudes. Their bodies also need exactly the kind of diet the animal can get in their habitat, not in captivity. Kittens born in captivity also tend not to survive or survive very weakly. And lastly, they are solitary animals, very reluctant to make contact with humans. 15. According to the IUCN Red List, the total population of Pallas cats exceeds 15,000 individuals. The animal is not endangered. 16. They can make a variety of sounds. They squeal or growl when excited. They can also purr. That concludes our video, dear viewers. Thank you for paying attention to our channel.